Okay, in this video we are going to install the Grafana Prometheus and WMI Exporter to monitoring the servers, CPU, memory, disk utilizations. So I'm going to install my PC. So first I'm going to install Grafana. So it's a exe application file. So I'm going to install this. So I'm going to change my location, Grafana lab. So I'm going to give D drive monitoring. Directly Grafana lab. So click next and install. Okay, so installation has been completed. So click finish. Then okay. So on our lab. So now you have to set the configuration. Okay. So if you want to change your port number, so you can change 2002 up to your port number, port range, and then domain name. If you want to give any server name like your host name, so you can give your host name. So then you have to find SMTP. So I'm giving SMTP is enabled is true. So then only if you are setting up any alert, so we have to enable this SMTP to send a mail. So that's it. I'm saving this and closing. Okay, so now we can check it in service. Find Grafana. So the Grafana service is running now. Okay, so next I'm going to install Prometheus. So this is the application. So we have to install this Prometheus application as a service. So we cannot install this Prometheus as a service. So for that I'm using this NSSM package to install the Prometheus as a service. So I'm just opening command window, and as administrator, so just go to this directory, sorry, this is the exe, nssm.exe install. So this is the command to install Prometheus. Space, and then Prometheus location, this application location. So we have to give here Prometheus exe. So this command is executing, and it is installing a Prometheus application as a service. Okay, I'm sorry, I missed this exe. Exe. So the service Prometheus has installed successfully. So we can check it in services. Just refresh it. So the service has been installed. So before that, so this is the Prometheus configuration file. So we can open it as notepad. So this is the default port for Prometheus. If you have any host name, server name, so we can give it. So I already add a job name here, name called WMI Exporter. So whatever name so we can give, and this is the host for port for a WMI Exporter. So now only I'm going to install WMI Exporter. So this is the application. So it's a installer 1. Install this. Okay, so it got installed. So WMI. Okay, the service is running. So here, so how the metrics, okay, I'll show the metrics. So how the WMI exporter is getting OS metrics. So it's a local host. The WMI exporter default port is 9182. Okay, these are the metrics here. So I'm just clicking here. Okay, so these are the metrics WMI exporter is collecting from the machine. So if you want to configure number of machines, means you only have to install WMI exporter on your monitoring machines. Okay, so these are the metrics. So based on these metrics, we are going to create a dashboard in Grafana. So I already configured here for this machine WMI exporter. So what actually Prometheus is doing, it is pulling the information, metrics information from WMI exporter. So that's why we have to give this host name in Prometheus config file. Okay, so I'm just closing this. Now, so Grafana is running already. WMI exporter also running. So I'm just start Prometheus service. Okay, so Prometheus service has started. So my Grafana port number is 9090. Okay, I'm sorry, 3000. So this 9090 is for Prometheus. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. So username is admin and password also admin. So I'm not going to change my password, so I'm just skip it here. If you want to change, you can change your password, new password. Okay, so now the step is we have to create a data source for that Prometheus. So Prometheus is the data source. So in the Prometheus.yaml file, we have given a localhost 9090. So we can give localhost 9090. So access is server, it's a default one, so we don't need to give a browser. So we can save and test. So the data source is working. So if you want to change your name, I'm just giving home PC, my PC name. Okay, so we have created a data source. Now we have to create a test store. So I already downloaded metrics, so it's a JSON file, so default metrics, so I have downloaded, so you can download it in a Grafana website. So I'm just going to import this. Okay, so go here and import, upload JSON file, go here, drive. So I'm just doing this Windows overview revision. So folder name is general. If you want to give any UID, so you can choose, it's a default. Oh, I'm sorry, this is for Telegraph. So I'm just uploading this one, Windows Note Revision. So we can choose your data source which we have created. Just giving input. So these are the metrics. So it is collecting from WMI Exporter. So Prometheus are fetching the metrics information, and it will store those informations, and it gives to the Grafana as a graphical view of those metrics. So it's a very easy way to monitoring your servers. So I'm just configured for my single machine. So if you want to configure in your organization, so for the multiple servers, so you have to install Grafana and Prometheus in one server, main server. Then you have to install WMI Exporter for what are the server you want to monitor. So you need to be installed. Okay, then you need to add those host information into the Prometheus YAML file. That's it. Thank you so much.